Okay, yesterday I've already showed you how to use the circuit maker, circuit construction kit. So now just a quick recap. Okay, so you have to start by selecting your power supply. Okay, drag the power supply out. Okay, well, let me find where's the power supply. Okay, the battery, power supply battery, drag it out. Click center, make sure that you choose 6 volt. So just change the voltage range to 6 volt. Lay out the components first, and also you just need to shift the position. Okay, so with this facing upward, here is a positive part, the bottom is a negative. Drag the emitter, which is actually your, okay, not this one, this other version of emitter. This is actually your multimeter. Change the range to current. Drag your resistor, you need to take a resistor, double click again, make sure that the resistor value is 330 ohm. Okay, we cannot use this resistor, it's not the right one. Change another resistor with a higher range. This one. So change to 330 ohm. Okay, put it there. Okay, another resistor, 330 ohm. Change the value range again to 330. Okay, once you've done that, we don't have a LED light inside this simulation, but we will make do with a light bulb. Okay, when you choose a light bulb, make sure you set the polarity correctly as well, assuming that this is an anode and this is a cathode. But in normal circumstances, there's no polarity in the light bulb, only in LED. Okay, because this simulator do not have an LED, I have to choose a light bulb. Once I've done this, I will just take the wire. Okay, connect the wire here. Okay, take another wire again. I need to connect them. Take another wire again, connect them. So this will be in parallel. Okay, then after that, take lastly another wire, connect this wire to the light bulb. Take another wire, connect this wire to the light bulb. Okay, this is where it shows that the current is flowing. And based on this value of 6 volt, you should have a 0.01 ampere of current. Okay, just to double confirm. Okay, the light bulb maybe it's a bit too much for the resistance value. Maybe I'll just reduce it to 100 ohm. Okay, so this is how the electrons flow, and conventional current to flow through is from the power supply going to the multimeter, the emitter, passing through your resistors and going into the lamp to light the things up. Okay, this is how you do your simulation for parallel circuit. Once you have done that, take a voltmeter, go and test, put the red color probe on the left side, black color probe on the right side. You should get a voltage reading, 3.74 volts. Okay, let's test the top one. Again, the red probe on the left side, black probe on the right side. You can test it out. Okay, these are the voltage for these two resistors, okay, across it. But how about the lamp itself? What is the voltage range? Okay, so this is basically is wrong, right? The probe, the black must be in the negative part and the red positive must be in the left side of the lamp. You should have a positive reading of 2.26 volt. Total voltage must be equal to 6 volt. If you look at the readings here, 2.26 volt, and the readings from the resistor itself, 2.26 plus 3.74 volts. How many total voltage do you have? And it actually applies to the simple rules of parallel circuit. Total voltage in is equal to total voltage out. Your turn to try.